The Nokia Lumia 200 marks a bold leap into the future of smartphone technology, blending cutting-edge hardware with premium design. At the heart of the device is a vibrant 6.8-inch FHD plus Super AMOLED display with a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate, delivering an immersive visual experience whether you're watching high-definition content, gaming, or simply scrolling through your social feeds. This stunning display ensures deep blacks, brilliant colors, and seamless motion that elevate everyday use. Powering the Lumia 200 is the ultra-powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, designed to handle even the most demanding apps and games with ease. Whether you're multitasking across multiple applications, editing videos on the go, or streaming at high resolution, this device performs effortlessly. Backing up that performance is an incredible 32 GB of RAM, providing a lag-free experience even under heavy workloads, and a spacious 512 GB of internal storage. More than enough room for thousands of photos, videos, apps, and large media files. One of the standout features of the Lumia 200 is its jaw-dropping 300MP rear camera, redefining mobile photography with unmatched detail and clarity. From professional-grade landscapes to high-resolution portraits, the camera system is built to impress content creators and photography enthusiasts alike. Power is never a concern thanks to the massive 7,500 mAh battery, which delivers extended use throughout the day and well into the next. And when it's time to recharge, the blazing fast 120W charging technology ensures you're back up to full power in record time. With a sleek, modern design that matches its premium specs, the Nokia Lumia 200 is more than just a smartphone. It's a next-generation mobile experience built for users who demand the absolute best in speed, power, and innovation.